This is the exact business model which helped me to go from cleaning toilets just 3 years ago in the UK and now traveling full-time and living as a digital nomad in Bali and traveling around Southeast Asia, which is selling free websites to local businesses for a monthly recurring revenue price point. So yeah, I'm not going to talk too much. Let's get straight into the video. Why selling free website with MRR is the best business model? Let's say, first of all, let's go with the original paid website. And this is what I used to do in the beginning. And I was getting one client for maybe for 3 months or 4 months. And yeah, this is how it goes. Paid website, I really had to convince them for a meeting. And for example, let's say you are cold calling a client. And inside the cold call, you're saying, yeah, I'm going to build you a website, but the website is going to be $3,000 or even $500 for the website. Do you think they will be convinced to at least show up for the meeting? No. You are a guy who called them out of nowhere and promised them that you're going to build them a website, and you ask them for pay the money where they don't even know you and they don't trust you enough so that they can pay for the service. And yeah, if you got those clients, that's gonna make maybe 2,000 to 5,000 if the price point is around 2,000 to 3,000 for each website. If you're lucky, if you get 2 clients, you can make that much money. But guess what? The churn. This is a bitch. If you do a good job, you lose client. If you do a bad job, you lose the client and the money. You have to give back the money. They will apply for the refund. If you have a Stripe, they will apply for the refund and you will lose the money. And top of it, you will lose your Stripe account as well. The more refunds you get, the Stripe is going to ban you. And if you get these clients, you still have to do the same stuff again. You do have to do the cold calling, you have to do the cold SMS, all those stuff again to get the similar kind of results, similar kind of clients the next month. Or else you won't make any money and you can't pay your bills and you end up being miserable. Let's say, good job, lose the client, and bad job, no more client and lose the money. And you are gonna be in this never-ending cycle, spinning around like in the hamster wheel. You'll be running all time, every time. It feels like having a 9 to 5 is better than having this business. And guess what? If you keep on doing it, after 6 months, you'll be stressed out and you will quit. And guess what? You will be in a situation where you know that you can make money online, but this business model is not the best business model to have as a business. And at the same time, when you know that you can make money, you can't really go back to your 9 to 5. And if you can't make money by simply selling a website, that's the most simplest service model you have. If you can't make money with this, there's no business model in the world you can make money with. It's the best and most easiest and most simplest business model you can find anywhere. And let's see what our business model is. Free website. So this is what I do, and this is what I've been doing for past 3 years. We sell free website for a monthly recurring revenue. And for example, let's compare to the paid. I really had to convince them to book for a meeting. And with our service, it's really easy. It's not really easy compared to the other business model. It's really easy to convince them to at least show up for the meeting. Let's say you're ringing them a call, a client who doesn't have a website in the Google My Business page. Give them a call, let them know, hey, I saw that you guys don't have a website, and guess what? I built you a website. It's totally for free. All I'm asking is you to show up for the meeting and just have a look at the website. If you like it, you can keep it. All you're going to lose is maybe 5 to 10 minutes of your life. And if you like the website, you could save thousands of dollars instead of hiring someone to build your website. And inside the meeting, we would have already built the website. And I'm going to show the software and all the service part just in a few minutes so that you can have a better understanding on how we do this. So this is the software we use. It's called Go High Level. And this is where we build the website and host the website. And not just that, we can do automation on the back end, like SMS and email automation. And we have AI employee, AI chatbot on the website, calendar booking, payment and payment processor. We have CRM, and we also have a mobile app for our clients. So all the leads which is coming through the website, they don't need to bring their PC with them to have a conversation with their customers. So we can just connect this websites and all the stuff inside the mobile app, which we're going to give it to them for free, so they can monitor everything. So it's literally going to save them a lot of time and money. Instead of hiring someone to take care of everything, we are taking care of everything for a smallest price of, it varies anywhere from 100 to 300 to 500 every single month. And that's how simple it is. And if you want to access this software, I do have a free trial. Link is in the description. And if you use my link to sign up to Go High Level, you get access to my community where I show everything, like the scripts, the snapshots, the templates, the funnel I'm using, the ads I'm running to get those clients. You can get access to those if you use my link to sign up to Go High Level. And this is what we do. Before going inside the meeting, we prompt the website of the client's niche. For example, if you're reaching out to plumbing businesses, you can just build a good-looking plumbing website before even going inside the meeting. And guess what? Before even asking for money, you are showing them everything that they're going to get after paying for the money. And you're not even asking for the setup fees. For example, let me show you what I mean by this. So this is what we do. So we're going to sell the website, which is going to be the one-page website. We're not going to charge for the website, but the website, it's going to be hosted for $100. Next up, 5-page website with all these services, $2,000 with $300 in a hosting fee. And 10-page website, $3,000 in a setup fee and $500 for a hosting fee. And this is the deck I personally use to sign my clients. Again, I sign my clients in just one meeting and get the payment at the same meeting and deliver the service at the same day. With the proper system I'm using, it's like a properly oiled machine. I get the clients. For example, let me show you another thing. This is how I get clients. As you can see, I run ads. So I stopped doing cold calling and cold outreach and stuff, because the reason why I came to Bali is to enjoy my life. I don't want to sit here for 4 hours doing cold calling to get clients. And the best way to scale your agency is to run ads. And the 15 days which is gone by for this month in June, I paid $400 until now. So I'm spending around $1,000 a month. So with spending $400, I got $12,000 in income just with $400 in running ads. And as you can see, I'm getting each lead for $5. I got 37 leads, and I've been testing lots of ads. As you can see, 25 tested ads, and lots of other ads are not performing really well, but I got 2 winning ads, which is bringing me lots of leads, and those leads will be seeing these deck, and those leads will be seeing the website before paying for the hosting fees. And only after paying for the hosting fee, I complete the website and deliver the website and connect the domain name. That's it. But they still have to pay for the hosting. And once they stop paying for the hosting, the website won't be live, and you should let them know. If you cut the payment, the website will be offline. So they will keep on paying for the website, not just for the website, the services as well, and all the things we are doing, like AI chatbot, Google review. So Google review automation. The more reviews a business has, the higher it ranks. And if someone is searching for a plumber near me, the more reviews and the more SEO the website has, the higher ranking and the higher chance of a customer looking for this particular business increases. And that's how we help our clients to get more customers. And if we're making their life really easy while connecting all of their social media, for example, let's say Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, email, SMS, and the chat bot, everything, all the information which is coming through, it's just coming through their phone. Let's say your client is a roofer or a plumber. Those guys are not tech savvy, but they can reply to messages. So this is how we keep these clients for a long time. And our lifetime value of these clients are really high compared to all the other businesses. And the service delivery part is really low. Once you set up, that's it, you forget. But you have to have a proper conversation with these clients once in a while to let them know that we are on their side, helping them to get more customers, even though the software does everything by itself, which is the software is go high level. And you can literally have multiple sub accounts. For example, this is one of the sub accounts for one of my clients, and one of my client had two website builds for their business. So this is a landscaping business, so they are splitting apart with two different niches. One is landscaping and one is a pool renovation and building. And I got $3,000 for one of the website, installation and hosting fees 100. And this is a free website, but 500 in monthly recurring revenue with just one sub account. And I have multiple sub accounts with multiple clients paying me anywhere from $100 to $300 to $500 every single month. And it's not just working for me, it's also working for guys just like you. So this is all the results of my one-on-one coaching members. As you can see, 6,000 collected, $1,000 the first client in first week, and 200 in monthly recurring revenue. Again, first client in first week, 750, 5,000 in monthly recurring revenue in just 2 months. And again, a lot more. Yeah, I'm not showing this to show off. It's to show you that it is possible. With the right information and with the right help, even you can get your first few clients in your first few weeks with this exact business model. And let's say if you sign, again, this is the best example. All the clients you are adding, let's say this guy got up to 2,000 the last month. And the next month, he added 3,000. And he's not just making 3,000. He's going to make the 2,000 he made last month. He's going to get the same 2,000 this month and again the 3,000 on top of it. And let's say he added another 3,000 the next month. That's going to be 8,000. So it's going to keep on adding the more clients you stack, the more money you make. So I'm pretty sure you have an understanding of what the business model is. It's a free website, it's easy to book meetings and easy to sell to them for anywhere from $97 to $297 to $497 is a monthly recurring revenue. And also you can upsell these websites. Let's say this is another video screen. So I made 7,000 in 24 hours by selling these websites, by upselling the website for an installation fee as well. So we're luring them in for a free website, but upselling them for a paid website. And that's how I ended up signing these clients for $7,000 in a single day deal. And yeah, that's how you don't just get these, you also get the higher payment for the installation. And guess what? It's a monthly recurring revenue. This is the best substitution for your 9 to 5. People who stick with 9 to 5, it's for the only one reason. They know that the next month they will still get paid. Even if they didn't do a good job, if they still have the job, they still get paid. It's for the convenience. And that's what this business does. The convenience. Even if I took a whole month off and I started traveling, I will still get the money. And my job is done by a software, delivering the service day in and day out, but I will get paid the same amount which I've been getting paid every single month. And that's how life is supposed to be. It's a simple system. Let's say missed call text back, AI receptionist, calendar booking, AI reviews, invoices, and conversation bot. Everything's coming inside a single mobile app which Go High Level gives you totally for free. You can upsell your clients with this. And again, you can upsell even more. Since I'm doing paid ads, I can. At the moment, I'm having conversation with one of my clients. So I can literally charge 1,000 to anywhere 1,500 to 2,000. So I'm going to start with 1,000 with ads, and their ad spend is going to be another 1,000. So I have to match another 1,000 to ad spend. And you can do that. You can do the SEO, which I'm doing the SEO. For example, let's say on top of the 500, they have to pay another 200 for the extra SEO. So each client is going to worth $700. Let's say you can do that. Social media posting. So the landscaping client wants me to do the social media posting probably from next month. I'm going to charge 1,000 on top of it. Guess what? I'm going to make all the posts with the help of AI. And I'm going to schedule the post with the help of GoHello. That's simple it is. Again, as I mentioned, you can do the paid website as well by upselling them with these, let's say 1,500. So some of the clients will be like bargain the price. You do have to give them a little bit like the power to bargain the price a little bit. Guess what? The website is just going to take you few seconds. It's not even minutes. It takes few seconds to build this. And once the website is done, you can connect the domain name. So anyway, you can sell it for free or you can sell it for paid. And if the client wants, let's say 500 discount, just give them a 500 discount or even 1,000 discount. Instead of losing a client, you are getting a client and 1,000 for a few minutes of work. So don't be stingy, give them this discount. And if you don't want to deal with upselling in the first few months, just cancel out the setup fee. Just give them a free website and just get the hosting fee itself. Keep it simple, and slowly, once you get good with sales call, you can get into upselling these websites instead of losing these clients. So yeah, that's it. This is why selling the free website is the best business model instead of having a paid website business. And if someone says the otherwise, they are trying to sell you a course, just run away. And if you want to run a profitable Facebook ads for your web design agency, where you can get more clients for each lead for $5. So literally $5 can turn into 100 to 200 or 500, or even in my case, $3,000. A $5 into $3,000. So if you want to have similar those kinds of results, you can click the first link in the description, book an onboarding call for my one-on-one help, where I can help you set up everything which is my agency has. I can set up everything for your own agency where you don't have to do the A/B testing and waste a lot of money, which I did. I wasted a lot of money in the beginning where I didn't know what I was doing, but now I tested a lot of ads, I put a lot of money, and now I learned what actually works. So you don't have to do the same mistake as me. So yeah, book an onboarding call if you need my help. And I hope you got some value out of this video. And I hope you got some hope of having your own agency after watching all these guys making money with their own agency. And again, these are not pro level people. Yes, they are better than building websites than me, but they have no idea on how to get clients. They just started and just start getting clients. And this can be you. And if you want to be just like these people, keep on grinding, don't give up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.